Hey everyone! In this video, I am going to show you how you can run your WhatsApp Messenger on your desktop. For this to work, you simply need to download WhatsApp for your Windows. You can download one from here. The link will be in the description as well. Once downloaded, simply run and install it. Now open the application from the Start menu. It will ask you to link your phone by asking to scan a QR code. Now go to your phone and follow these steps to scan this QR code. Once scanned, it will open WhatsApp on your system now. That's it. You will now be able to use WhatsApp on your desktop. You will be able to use all of its features, including sending messages, receiving calls, and all the stuff you were doing on your mobile WhatsApp. Keep one thing in mind, your mobile phone should be connected to the internet while you are using WhatsApp on your system. Otherwise, the application will show an offline error. That's all. Thank you for your time. If you like my video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Until next time, goodbye.